My name is Sabbir. What is your name?
My name is Ibrahim. What is your name?
My name is Robil. What's your name?
My name is Ashik. What is your name?
My name is Mohammad Mahmudul Hasan Masan. What is name?
My name is Hilal. What is your name?
My name is Ruhul Ahmed. What's your father's name?
My father name is Bodiar. What is your father name?
My father name is Abu Tahir. What is your father name?
My father name is Bilal. What's your father name?
My father name is Anil Haq. What is your father name?
My father name is Muhammad Abdul Samad. What's your father name?
My father name is Johurul Islam. What is your father name?
My father name is Hassan Ali. What's your brother's name?
My brother name is MD Foridur. What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Shahjalan. What is your brother's name?
My brother name is Rafi. What's your brother name?
My brother name is MD Salman Shah and MD Arman Khan. What is your brother name?
My brother name is Muhammad Mahtab Hussain Maruf. What's your brother name?
My brother name is Bilal Khan. What is your brother name?
My brother's name is Abdul Rahman and Rafiqul Islam. What's your sister's name?
My sister name is Ojia and Bobita. What is your sister name?
My sister
I
name
have it.
is Bahana. What is your
Sister name.
sister name?
My sister name is Sumayya. What's your sister name?
I have a not sister.
Hmm.
What is the sister name?
My sister name is Mosammat Samia Yasmin Mohana. What's your sister name? What's your sister name?
I have not a sister.
Okay.
What is your sister name?
I haven't any sister. What's your aunt? What's your uncle name?
My uncle name is MD Adam.
Hmm.
What's your uncle name? What is your uncle name?
My uncle name is Aina. What is your uncle name?
My uncle name is Tom.
Hmm.
What is your uncle name?
My uncle name is Abu Tahir. What is your uncle name?
I have so many uncles. One of them is Salam Mullah.
One question.
What's your uncle name?
My uncle name is Shukur Ali. What is your uncle name?
I have some uncles, but most of the say this name is I'm post. Okay, I have three. I have three uncles, but most of the time I say it Mokbul Hossein. আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে